What's up guys, today I want to review the Predator by Acer, the monitor, the 144 Hertz G4 Sync. Let's do it. Here we go. Here we go. This is going to be great. I was waiting for this monitor for a while. First up is the wire cable. There's some power. HDMI cable. Let me get this thing out of here. The manual. Another cable. Alright, I don't know what's the best way to take this out, to be honest. It's in this styrofoam. Take this to the floor. Here we go. Oh my God. That was not easy. Let me get my knife. Alright. There's a leg. It is massive. This thing is sturdy as hell. Yeah, man, this thing is great. Wow. So we got the leg. We got the feet. Looking nice. It's like a metal. This is plastic, but this is metal right here. Yeah. That goes in there. Alright. Let's see what we got. There it is. Here's the display. So there it is. Predator. It's G-Sync 3D vision. 1 millisecond overclock to 180 Hertz. Yeah, 24 inches. It's a Predator XB1. I was going to mount it on the wall, but just might use this thing right here instead. Yeah, so you just slide that on there, and then you lock it on here. And that's it. Let me just get the monitor here off this table. Check out the legs. Oh man, it's sick. Alright, there it is. So yeah, this is it. It is high. You can adjust the height. Go up and down with it. Oh man, it's definitely sweet. Here's the legs. Here's the back of it. So yeah. Goes up and down real smooth. I think you could rotate it as well. So you can rotate it. Here's the ports here. There's a VGA cable. Display port, power port, and off and on switch here. And that's it. Alright, there you guys have it. I'm gonna play a couple games. Actually, I'm gonna play for like a week or so I could actually do a good review about it, see if it's good or not. I'm gonna show you my old screen and it's an Asus 600 Hertz. I mean 60 Hertz. I wish it was 600. It's 60 Hertz. And see how it's different from the 144 Hertz. And yet, I'll tell you if it's if I'm gonna be better or not at shooting or building a Fortnite. But yeah, let's check it out. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I had the Asus Predator set up, ready to go. I've been playing for I think 6 months now, so I slacked on the video a little bit, you know, but it's been great. My whole gaming experience and my skill level went up. So first up, what you gotta do when you get this monitor is you got the HDMI port and the display port. You want to hook up the display port to your graphics card there. That will make your monitor 1 millisecond delay at 144 Hertz. If you use the HDMI cable, it won't happen. You can't use the 144 Hertz. So it took me a while to figure out why it's in 144 Hertz, but then I figured it out. Use the display port and you will be good. They give you the display port in the pack, so it's all good. So this thing has this monitor has 2 speakers in it with it. So this is why this 1 millisecond monitor is legitimately the best, because it operates at such a high frame rates at 144 Hertz, and compared to like a standard monitor, the one to the left here is like a 60 Hertz. So let's say this is a 60 Hertz, this 40 FPS one. So this is how many pictures frame rates per second you could have. So you could only have 43 frame rates per second. So that's how the image goes. If you have a high refresh rate like this, 178 refresh rates, this is how the picture actually shows. Nice clean and nice clean image. So if you're looking just at this right here, you could tell what you're looking at, you know. Like if your target is moving, you could trace the target. I was like this. This is a little hard when you're trying to trace this target with your SMG or a gun or something. It's hard to hit them. But if you go, let's say if somebody's jumping on top of you, when there's two people jumping on top of each other, which there usually is, and you're trying to get those flick shots, let's say it starts to get your screen moving faster because the target's moving and you're moving, so you're trying to shoot at something that's really fast like that, and you can't really see the target because by the time the target ran there, he's not actually there and you're missing all your shots. That's why in the 1v1 situation, you're probably missing all your shots because you can't really expect the target to be there because your monitor can't really refresh that fast. And here you have still trouble, but this is a lot cleaner, and you know that the target's actually going to be there. So definitely in a 1v1 situation, it's crazy. It's night and day, the difference. And I'm seeing like YouTubers trying to say that, you know, it's not really a big deal. No, it's a big deal. My KD went up hugely by this, and I could already tell the first couple games I played, I was not missing shots. And when I was 1v1 friends, they were like, "Damn, what happened, man? What happened to your skill level? It went dramatically up." And my building and everything and editing, everything went up faster. I could do 90s faster, like because the game was so fluent. So yeah, I highly recommend it. I don't know, everybody's like, it's a little different. I see a lot of people reviewing it that don't really play games like I do, trying to say that it's not really a big deal. It's huge. It's huge. Alright guys, let me show you some of these features that this thing has, which is pretty nice in my opinion. First off, you got your input, so that's how you switch your HDMI. The sound, it has speakers on the inside, which I don't really use. Use your external speakers. This is just your input there. And this is your like profile 1, 2, 3 in gaming. I customized mine. So let's go to the settings here. This is where the magic happens. Let's go to the settings. You could adjust your blue light sensitivity. The blue light, so your eyes aren't as see, it turns it orange a little bit. So it cancels out the blue light, which is great. You don't have to wear gaming glasses. You could boost your light here, level 1 and 2. This is like, if you go in game, this is a lot better features. You can really see it. What else do we got? We got gamma, color, temperature. I put it on warm. Language. One other great point is right here. You could put an aim thing here, so you could have an aim target on the middle of your screen there, right here. So in game it's right at the center of your screen there. I don't really use it, but it's pretty cool. And the next thing is pretty crazy because you can overclock this thing, which I did. I overclocked it to 180 frame rates per second. which this monitor is only 144 Hertz. Some cool thing is, here's the stand right here, as you've seen it, and then you have your hook here for, let's say, you could put your headset here, so that's pretty cool. If you want to overclock this, you can. You don't really have to, but I did. I don't know if there's a difference, because when you go from 60 Hertz to 144 Hertz, it's a huge difference. But when you go from like 144 Hertz and up, like a 240, there's just not big of a difference as you can. So definitely, I mean, at least get 144 Hertz. I like the NVIDIA aspect of this, because I have an NVIDIA card. So this is a G-Sync. So the G-Sync aspect is cool. It integrates with my system here. I don't know if it performs better or not if you didn't have one, so I can't really tell you that. But I just spent the extra money just in case. And yeah, I highly recommend it. Check out the pricing on the bottom. And if you like the video, thumbs up. Peace out.